Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I got the night crawlers right here. I'm loaded up here, the pole. But right now we're just going down the road and we're gonna try to catch some gills under a bridge. It just finished raining, but yeah. So hopefully we can catch a couple gills. And then maybe we'll try some other spots. I don't know. So right now we're just going right down here to my bridge, with the end of the road, the bridge, and then we might go somewhere else. So see you guys there. I'm getting bites. I'm getting bit. Man, I just stole it right out of his mouth. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, I just got clean. There's a frog right down here. I'm trying to catch him. I just caught a frog, guys. Guys, I just caught a frog. Oh my gosh. I just caught a frog. Holy cow. That's funny. Oh boy. Get. That's kind of wild. I caught a frog. You can catch a frog on almost anything though. They're so aggressive. Okay, let's pitch this up. See if we can get some. Getting bit again. Come on, go under. Come on. You fudgy kidding me, bro? I'm literally taking it out of his mouth. Hold on, let's see if I can get this frog again. Yeah, he out. He done. I'm literally like taking it out of his mouth though, that's the thing. Dude. That sucks. Let's pitch in there, see if I can catch it again. Bro, it sucks, bro. Bro, how many times am I saying bro? Dang. Got him again. I caught the same frog. I caught the same frog. That's hilarious. It's like right under me. There he is. Watch, I'm gonna try to catch him again. No way. I hooked him again. I literally hooked him again. Oh my gosh. Boy. Don't fuck me. Boy, get out of here. Look at that. Look at that sucker. I hooked him 3 times. That's your lesson learned right there, buddy. Holy cow, that's pretty fun. It's pretty fun. No, but he took my bait, so we need to rig up. Oh, I caught one. Finally. Thank you, Mr. Truck. I finally caught one. I feel like 7 bites. Ow, ow. There he is. Mr. Bluegill. Now let's throw him back. Cool. Okay, that's nice. Let's throw it back out there, see if we can catch another one. A little snagged. We're all good. Boom. Let's see if we can catch another one. I think I had another problem. My bobber was way too high, so my bait was on the bottom. Because as soon as I threw it out there, it got hit. So let's see if we can catch something else. I'll show you guys. Look here. Oh, my password. Don't want to show that. That's coming straight for us. See? Look. Hold on. Boom. That's gonna suck. As I'm getting a hit right here. Come on. Go all the way under. Go all the way under. Go all of the way under. Like submerged. Dang it, he took my bait, didn't he? He claimed me. Guarantee you. I guarantee you. I almost guarantee you. Yep, I was right. He cleaned me. Gosh, man. Well, that was a botch and a half. Well, I'll see you guys at the next spot. It's almost about to rain. See if we can go and get a couple more fish. See you guys at the next spot. I just pulled off the side of the road right here. I've known this spot for like 4 or 5 years, but I've never fished it, so just want to see if it is any good. I don't want to stay here forever. I honestly think it's a little too high, the bobber. So I just want to see if there's anything in here. This has been here for... Oh my gosh, it just got annihilated. Oh my gosh. Really? Are you kidding? I'm getting hit. I'm pretty sure they're just small fish. Pretty sure. 'Cause like... About to swart on them sycamores. There's definitely fish in here, yeah. But just... Oh, caught one. Let's go. Oh, they're chubs. Oh, chubs right here. That would be perfect for like live bait. Chubs. Oh my gosh. Throw this back out there. Be a boy. Really? Bobber's not standing up. Great. Come on, boys. Come on. Come on. Got another one. Let's go. Yeah, they're just creek chubs. That's all. Right there. Another creek chub. Oh, 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 oh. Ah, another one. I mean, they're just creek chubs, but I'm having a blast. Another one right there. No! Okay, cool. Oh, that's really shallow over there, that's why. Yeah, I've known about this has been here for 4 or 5 years. Each year it gets getting bigger. Because there's muskrats here building dams and stuff. So each year it gets bigger and bigger with rain and stuff. And there's a goose over there. So, yeah, I really want to get attacked right now. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. This is pretty shallow. Like, it looks deep, but it's pretty shallow. Like, I'm actually surprised of how shallow it is. Ooh, I just had him. Ooh. I hate wasting gas though, but I don't want my battery to die. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Pull it out of his mouth. Just great. Cool, I'm gonna go get another worm real quick. That one. Yeah, let's go. This is a bigger one. Don't face of me. Ooh. Holy cow, this is a big boy. Bigger boy. Right there. I actually can't remember if I said this, but I've never fished here before. This is like a... Yes? Oh my gosh, I looked. Holy cow. Just a couple more, and I'll be gone. Ooh. go. Let's go under, go under, go under. Yes, let's go. Let's go! These things are small, but they put up a decent fight. Like, there you go. Number 15. I don't know. There's a bad storm rolling in, guys. It's huge. Boom. Come on, I want to swarp on the sycamores. There they are. Swarp. Oh. Dang it! There we go. Another one. This is a small one. This is literally like the size of a minnow. I know the perfect place now to catch live bait. Perfect place. Now you just killed yourself, buddy. Jesus. There we go. Dude, this is, I've used this worm for like 17 fish. Make it 18. No, I don't know how many we've caught. Let's go. Let's go. Go under. Go under. Ah. Still have some worm on there. Yeah, I ain't trying to waste too many worms on this little area. Got one. Let's go. No, in the weeds. Got him. Like, I'm literally, I've caught like 7 fish in the same spot. Right there. Let's go. Holy cow, that scared me. That bullfrog scared me. Ooh. Oh. Yes? I know, you're overheated. I just want one more fish. Don't be shy, bite it again. Come on. Come on. Come on. I didn't get cleaned. Let's go. Bite it again. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Come on now. Actually, guys, it's 8 o'clock, so I have to go pick up my brother from baseball practice, or football practice, so see you guys on the next episode. we're at the spot right now. You just throw it out there. I got these tri-state bait night crawlers. I would like red worms, but these were the only things they had, so break a piece off right there. Close her on up. Okay, hopefully we can get something. Okay guys, I got my stuff. I parked right there, and I'm just gonna walk down to the bridge now.